In this video, I will explain what front-end development is, the roles and responsibility, and the skills required to be a front-end developer in 2022. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Himanshu Khosla and I am working as a lead front-end engineer in a product-based tech giant of India. Let me break down front-end development for you. It is the process of production of client-side user interface of a website, which includes elements such as text, image, anchor links or buttons, or whatever you see on that website, through which user can read the information in a desired way and can interact with it in a safe and user-friendly way. So by now you must have guessed who front-end developers are. The people who build these websites are called front-end developers. Stay with me. We will deep dive into more about front-end developers, and also in the end I will tell you about how you can earn 18 lakh per year as a junior front-end developer in a big tech company. So front-end developer's role is to take the basic vision and design concept and turn it into a working website. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In general, they also take care of the following things. The first one being they decide on the design of the website and the code structure. Second, they need to make sure that the user delight or the user experience of using that website or product is the best. And the third, they need to maintain the design consistency of the brand throughout the multiple projects. Fourth, they need to make sure that the website is responsive throughout the multiple devices, for example in desktop, mobile or smartwatches. Fifth, they need to make sure that the code is reusable for future perspective. Sixth, they need to make sure that the website is being served in the fastest way and is scalable for millions of users. Front-end development, you need three basic skills. These skills are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's start with HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. It is used to define the layout or markup of the website. For example, let's say you are creating a login form. In that through HTML you will define the input type of elements that will be there and the button or the anchor link that will be there. For the login form, input element would be there of user email ID, and the second input element would be there of password, and the third element would be of button type. After that, in the second process, we use CSS, also known as cascading style sheets, to add styles to the website. We can define how every element will look in different devices, how it will align itself in different devices. Third one is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. It is used to make your site interactive for users so that they can interact with it and get some meaningful results. For example, in your login, entering email ID and password, you would want that form to take you towards your user profile page. Now coming back to the bonus part, for big companies like Walmart, Amazon, it has been observed that every 100 millisecond decrease in their page load time has increased their sales by 1%, and that value is in crores. So their main objective is to build fast and deliver fast to the users. They need basic information of the front-end frameworks that are React.js, Vue.js or AngularJS. Apart from that, they need the basic communication skills from you so that you could execute the project and resolve any doubts or discussions between product managers, clients and managers. The third one is problem solving skills and attitude using algorithm and data structures. And the fourth one is creativity, so that you could come up with new innovative ideas to cut some cost or to execute the project faster and to resolve the blockers that are coming in the process. Apart from that, for a mid-level engineer, they would also need a basic knowledge of SEO and HTML email development from you. Although the tools and technologies of front-end keeps changing over time, for example, in every 6 months, a new framework comes out in the market. Still, according to the stats, the need for front-end developers in the market is there and will increase in the future. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep upgrading your front-end knowledge and skills.